Hello guys. All we know this kind of charging cable connector with a magnetic lock. Usually these charging connectors came with some waterproof devices such as smartwatches or other devices in which the case must be sealed. But have we ever think about how dangerous this type of connector can be? I will explain why. For example, this is my smart band, and here you can see that this case is waterproof, and here you can see two contacts for magnetic charging cable. It attached like this and started to charging my device. There is a lot of devices with same kind of connector, but all of them have hidden dangers. And let's take a look. For example, we finished charging our device, it's already charged, and disconnect the device and left the power adapter turned on, and the cable contact remains open. We just throw it like that, and here you can see that power adapter powered on, it's working, and cable contacts leave just without any cover, without any protection. And then, for example, one of our pets, children or roommates can accidentally throw some metal objects near the cable, like for example this scissor. And what it can lead to? That's right, here you can see, the magnetic connector will be attached to the metal, close the contacts, which will lead to short circuit, because the magnet will be attached to the metal and shorted the contacts of the charger. Here you can see. It can be any metal object. It doesn't matter. Any conductive metal. There is a lot of some stuff in our house that can be magnetic. This can lead to heating the power adapter or cable, which can lead to heating of the cable or power supply, which can then lead to a fire. Usually power supplies have short circuit protection, but it is not a fact that this protection will work in a specific case. It depends on the quality of the power supply and the scenario of the contact with metal. Therefore, it's important to never leave magnetic cables under voltage attached. Always disconnect them from the power supply after change is complete. So guys, write here in the comment, did you know about this hidden danger of magnetic charging? And if this video was interesting for you or you learned something new, please press the like button or even subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching.